You do not want to know what I just did in the woods. I'm not saying anything. Back in the 80s, maybe even the late 70s, one would have never thought that vans could have changed so much. But they have. Something else changed. Something else changed drastically since the 70s and 80s. Skateboards. They've changed. So if you're wondering what the skateboard all comes with, it comes with the board that is really pretty nice. It's really, I haven't stepped on it yet. I just put it on the table. I'll take it outside in a few minutes. It comes with some nice wheels, battery, everything you need here. Plus, would you guys look at this? We got these off-road wheels, which I'm gonna put on right now because I just have a feeling they're gonna be much better than your standard skateboard tires, right, Kat? Right, I know she wants to ride. But look how meaty those things are. And they're big too. They're bigger than my hand. Doesn't matter if you're 40 years old, 50 years old, 60 years old, 70, 80 years old, it doesn't matter. The love of a good woman never goes out of style. The love of a bad woman, even better, right? I'm just saying, what I'm trying to say is, you're never too old. You're never too old. Now, I have not ridden a skateboard, maybe in 30 years or more. I don't even know if I can get on this thing. But I do have an electric bicycle at home, and I do have a helmet. So I am gonna put this sucker on because safety first. What I love about this helmet is it just magnetically locks. You're good to go. Now I did a little bit of reading about this thing, and supposedly I just power this on. Oh gosh, man, it's been so long. Let's see how this goes. Ooh, did you guys see that? Okay, that's accelerate. Ooh, I was going the wrong way. See, this board has an arrow on the front of it. I thought the arrow was forward, but it's not. Okay, this is crazy. Man, before I even set it up on the ground here, I messed up. No, I didn't mess up. There's a reverse button on it. It was going backwards, so the arrow does mean forward. Okay, so for those of you that are my age, would you try something like this? Possway, the company that creates this thing, seems to think that we can do it. That it doesn't matter how old you are. So there are 3 speeds on this remote control, or not 3 speeds, but there's 3 settings. There's low for beginner, which after 30 years, I feel I'm a beginner. There's a medium, a high. Oh, there's 4 because there's a pro mode too, which I'll never reach because that does 26 miles an hour. And I can't imagine doing 26 miles an hour on a skateboard. When I was growing up, my thought was, if I'm on the skateboard, I don't even know, ooh, I don't even know if I could stand on this thing here. But my thought was, if I'm on a skateboard, right, I don't want to be going faster than I could run in case I have to jump off. I don't want to take a tumble. So I just figured, wow, boy. Okay. I think I might need to tighten the trucks a little bit. But let's go. I'm on it. Oh, I'm on it. I'm going. Okay. I'm going. Whoa. Wow, would you look at me? Would you look at me go? Something, ooh. You could brake, has brakes. Okay, I just realized something. Lean forward to go because it takes off. And lean back when you brake, otherwise, whew. So, yeah, this is pretty sweet. Let's get brave. Let's get brave, shall we? Okay, the low speed is probably about as fast as I need to go right now. There is no way I would do 26 miles an hour on this thing. Okay, lean back and stop. Okay, yeah, I have to say, pretty sweet. First attempt, I didn't fall, but if I did, I got my helmet on. Yeah, I think if I'm gonna do this a lot and get good at it, it probably wouldn't be bad for someone my age or your age, any age, to get some knee pads and maybe some gloves. I don't care about the elbows so much, but gloves, because if you fall, you're gonna go down. But yeah, definitely gloves, probably the most important, gloves and a hat. But I'm going to like this thing. So for those RVers out there, nomadic people, let's say you come to Florida periodically. We have a couple campgrounds where you might have to go a mile and a half from your campsite up to the dumpster just to throw away your garbage. Why break out your electric bike and try and ride a bicycle with a garbage bag? You could grab this. Yeah, let's say you ordered Uber Eats and security won't let them in. You gotta go like a mile all the way up to security guard just to get your food. And then carry your food back to your RV in one hand while you're pedaling and steering on your electric bike. Take this. First impressions, I don't know. Let's do it again. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, it's gonna be a while. It's gonna be a while before I get brave. Oh wow, I thought I was recording. Maybe this remote doesn't go far enough. Okay, I don't know what I didn't record there. You guys just missed me not using a remote and going old style, kick and push style. Possway T2, great board. If that didn't record, I'll just let you guys know again. There's also a T3. So this year they have a T2 2022, and there's also a T3 2022. That other one, the T3, a little bit more power, does like, I think 30 miles an hour, 31 miles an hour. And that seems just a little bit too fast for me. 26 miles an hour seems a little bit too fast at the moment. It may not in a week, once I get used to this thing. But if you are looking for one of these things, I'll leave a link in the description below for my, what do you call it, associate link or whatever. So the company gave me one of those to share with you guys if you want one. I think the price, if I'm not mistaken, is right at about 400 bucks. This thing will do 26 miles an hour, goes for about 17, 18 miles, I believe, almost 20 miles on a charge. So you can pretty much go all, I don't know, I could probably ride around this parking lot all day long. But yeah, campgrounds, malls, airports, wherever you can ride, you take this thing. I know I'm going to. So until the next time, please check the description below for my associate link for this board, and I will see you, hopefully, not from a hospital bed. I don't want to end up in a hospital bed. If so, Possway, you know where to send the flowers. Peace out, everybody.